Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A15s, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of seconds ago I set here my fingerprint on this fingerprint scanner. I'll just show you this. So as can you see, I can unlock the device with my fingerprint now, and we just will see how fast and how useful this feature is on our OPPO A15s. I'll make a 5 of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint. I will just simple touch the fingerprint scanner, and we'll see all the difference between the times and how fast this unlock method is on our device. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, I just make the simple touches like this. So in my opinion, this unlock method is really fast on our OPPO A15s, and you see this is really useful unlock method. So if you like some methods like the fingerprint, you can just try this method on this device, because as can you see, just by simple touch can unlock my device, and that's really cool feature. I think there's maybe I just can unlock you can unlock the device less than in 1 second. So but always be sure that you get here the clean this fingerprint scanner, and also that your fingers, they are cleaned. So just if you wanna try that, I suggest you to try this unlock method on this device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.